Last night, rain tonight. We're in a lull at the moment. Last night's radar trace picked up from the far north to the far south a band of rain that moved east. It was pretty rattly on the windows this morning. It's largely disappeared now, but it left a legacy of anything up to an inch of rain in the southern half of England. I'm focusing on the southern half of England and indeed South Wales for a good reason, because we've got more to come tonight. At the moment, this is the time down here, we're between Band A and Band B, and it's a reasonably mild day, frankly. Not bad at all, but very soon it'll deteriorate from the southwest tonight. It's a low pressure area that's spinning up and bringing rain with it. It's going to go through the southern counties of England, probably much of Wales, the Midlands and East Anglia. Now, quite obviously, if we put more rain on top of the southern ground already there, and there are 3 or 4 flood warnings out this morning, they're dying down now, 30 to 50 millimetres on top gives you potential for flooding. Luckily at 8 in the morning it has stopped raining more or less in Cornwall and Devon and Wales, and it will be not a bad start to the day. And indeed for Northern Ireland you'll have missed it altogether. A frosty start with the potential for a bit of ice where this afternoon's showers or this evening's showers fell. And the same is true for Western Scotland, but on the whole this is a quiet winter's morning, but with a breeze, noticeable breeze from the southwest, and 1s or 2s in city centres. Now, the northern limit of what's coming through England isn't certain, but let's say it's Lincolnshire and maybe South Lancs. So this is a potential area where there's snow on the hills, but rain will be the main theme. Rain and one other thing. With that low spinning through, it'll also be quite windy. So you've got wind and rain focusing tomorrow morning on the southeast corner, right around rush hour. And as this morning, it'll take a few hours before that lot disappears eastwards, but disappear east it will do, leaving once again a bright, fresh day. Nice bit of sunshine with temperatures at 5 or 6 degrees. All the trouble seems to happen in the early mornings, doesn't it? Tomorrow's no exception. Having seen that happen on Friday, then Friday night is a clear one. The temperatures will drop away. There'll be a widespread standard winter frost. Now the weekend looks as though it'll stay in much the same vein. Relatively cold, 5s and 6s by days, frost by night with a few showers. Now, I have to say, on Saturday the showers really are very few, and on Sunday, Aberdeen, Newcastle, Manchester and Hull, greater chance of getting them. The same is true for Birmingham, Cardiff, London and Southampton. A fine looking day on Saturday, greater chance of getting showers on Sunday. Of course, Saturday night, I haven't mentioned it, there's yet more rain to come. But the real worry, I think, is the rain tonight and tomorrow morning. There's potential flooding for southern England, followed by gales in the southeast corner at rush hour.